Hey, good afternoon. It's Neil Simple Futures, and it is Wednesday, 27th December, and same story, same story. Not exactly, maybe not rocketing, higher, but certainly not breaking either, right? I mean, I saw people in the trade room today trying to sell this thing, and it's just not time. It's just, the high of the move was today. A new high for the move as of right now today at like 36.37 in the ES futures. You can see on screen I got a target there at 55. I think that's a 1272 extension from the break of August down to either late October, 1st of November. And then above that, H1 on the quants for this week is like 48.70, so you got 55 and 70 as targets above. For reasons we've discussed at length, really ad nauseum almost, but certainly at length in the trade room, certainly still anticipating some more follow through to the upside, not only through the end of the year, but certainly through at least the first week of January, if not even maybe 2 weeks. But it's just stay with the plan. You can go broke trying to short this thing is what it looks like. So there'll be a day, but it's not here and not yet, because when we do see it, I would imagine it'd be a euphoric kind of a excess or a throw over top type of a wick, top and highs made on selling type of a day. Opens low, races higher, rejects the highs, comes back, closes low, leaves a wick top and a reversal type of a setup. But certainly we haven't seen that yet, right? That's about it. I mean, crude, we're looking for crude up to about 76.40. It got 76.20 and some change, so it's really close. It's doing well. Gold is bullish this time of year through the first of next year as well, and it tacked on $20+ today. Actually, it was even better at one point. It was up about 30 at one point. We're going to have maybe a little bit more to talk about first of the year. We'll be looking at commodities. I do anticipate quite a bit. But for right now, it is what it is, and that is we've been talking about bullish in the index space, and it still is. So stay with smoke them if you got them. Stay with what you got. Don't let them out. They wouldn't let you out. So I'll talk to you again here at the next update. Till then, good trading. Bye.